Welcome to today's Japanese tiny house tour. In this video, we will explore a beautifully designed Japanese tiny house that highlights the charm and minimal living while still feeling spacious, bright, and also the functional. The first thing you will notice when stepping inside this Japanese tiny house is the strong open plan concept on the ground floor. The layout has been designed to feel open and free, with a living room and a mini pantry that blend together seamlessly. The living room of this Japanese tiny house provides a comfortable communal space, while the mini pantry adds just the right amount of practicality, making daily routines simple and efficient. By combining these two areas without unnecessary partition, the designers of this Japanese tiny house have created a space that feels larger than its actual size. What makes this Japanese tiny house even more special is its unique tiered roof design. The layer of this roof is not just for looks, it plays an important role in ventilation and also the natural lighting, thanks to the clever keeping the interior cool and fresh. At the same time, the elevated roof design allows daylight to pour in from above, brightening the open plan living area and mini pantry below. This smart architectural detail adds both comfort and also the character of this Japanese tiny house. Inside this Japanese tiny house, the use of natural light and air circulation reduces the need for artificial lighting and heavy cooling system. It's a perfect example of sustainable living where design meets functionality. The open plan of the ground floor combined with the tiered roof structure creates a modern living environment that still respects the traditional essence of Japanese design. Every detail of this Japanese tiny house reflects balance between openness and privacy, between functionality and also the beauty, and between compact design and spacious feeling. From the cozy living room that welcomes you to the practical mini pantry that supports daily life, and finally the unique roof that ties the whole design together, this Japanese tiny house is proof that small space can still offer big comfort and also the inspiration. If you love architecture, minimal design, or are simply curious about how a small home can achieve so much, this Japanese tiny house is the perfect example. Stay with us until the end of this video as we take a closer look at every thoughtful detail inside this incredible home.